Hello, kids. We are going to listen to a story of Grandma's lost glasses, and we're also going to learn few words in Urdu. Are we ready? Let's start. Once upon a time, there was a grandma. Grandma? Yes, Dadi, who cherished her special pair of glasses, chashma. They were not just any chashma. They help her see everything clearly and were very dear to her heart. One sunny morning, Dadi woke up and discovered her chashma were missing. Oh no! She searched everywhere, under the bed, bistar ke niche, in the kitchen, bawarchi khane mein, and even outside the garden or baag mein. Dadi was so concerned, had a big sigh. But all of a sudden, she sees some tiny prints on the floor. Who made these prints? Dadi said. As she investigated further, she was surprised to find a group of rats, Chuhe, wearing her glasses. There were 20 little rats, 20 chote chuhe, each one proudly sporting a pair of her beloved chashma. They thought her glasses were toys. Dadi smiled gently and approached the little rats. Please give me back my chashma. She needed them to see. She said kindly. To her delight, the rats understood her request and happily returned the glasses. After that, the rats, Chuhe, and Dadi became friends. Whenever she lost her chashma, they helped to find them. Feeling grateful for her new friends, Dadi decided to celebrate. She baked some delicious cookies and said to the rats, "Come and join me and enjoy." They loved the treats, and laughter filled the air as they enjoyed their time together. From that day on, every time Dadi found her chashma, she would bake cookies and invite her little Chuhe dost. So the moral of the story was that sharing and kindness creates wonderful friendship. And so Dadi, her grandchildren, and the little rats lived happily ever after, sharing a smile and cookies together. Khuda Hafiz, Alvida, Future of Urdu ki taraf se.